Alrighty, almost 6 entire minutes to solve that part. I counted about 5 minutes and 50 seconds with both of those mistakes. So, tricky print, mostly because of just how much is going on down here. What I saw initially was this dimension here. I said, okay, cool, there's that width. I didn't follow the leader all the way out. I just saw 20 and then that width. Okay, cool, that's our 20 that I need for that slot width. It didn't look right away, and I told myself that right away too. I'm like, this doesn't look right. It looks like kind of too wide. Maybe something's wrong. anyways, kept going. The other thing was having this be a radius dimension, this being a diameter dimension, tripped me up as well. A couple of other things we could do here. One thing that I thought about as I was going through and as I realized, hey, this is a 5mm wall thickness all the way around, maybe it would have been smarter and faster to just draw this entire top half circle with that little notch out there. So just this top arch, draw that and then shell it out for 5mm, and then draw this base in and then mirror that over and everything else. So that was something that I was thinking about. Might be faster, might give that a shot here on our next go through. The other thing that I found is I don't think that for a part like this, doing double mirrors is the way to go. I think picking just one center line to mirror over would be ideal. So in this case, maybe I will actually just model everything without any mirror features and see how I like that. Again, I could just do mid-plane extrusions for this. That'll mean I only have two faces to select for our shell. I can pick up the fillets from the context menu that pops up, and the slot I can mirror over pretty easily, especially if I choose my origin with one of these planes. So we'll try a multi-body approach without mirrors this time around, just to give it a different feel.